So everyone, in this video I'll be talking about Politecnico Milano 1863. That is, it is very much reputed college in Milan whose application process has been started. The first date was 8th of September. Okay, it has been started from 8th of September and the last date is 19th of November. 19th of November, those of you who have the specific documents, they can apply in this call or they can go to the next call which is due in on 12th of January 2021. So what you have to do, you have to check the specific requirements in the course section and you have to see that you have your language certificates and all. The last date to submit your language certificate for this call is March 2020, this is 14 February 2021, and for the next call it is on 15th of April 2021. The semester would begin in September 2021. Okay, so this was all about the deadlines. Let's check about the courses. This is a program catalog in which I'm going to show you that these are some of the courses that is offered by Politecnico, and this is for masters. I have opened this. This is the URL for masters. I'll put this link in the description box so that you can see. These are some of the courses. You can go for yours. Okay, and check the specific requirements. Talking about the specific requirements, I have opened particularly foreign students with the university qualification obtained in Italy. Laurea Magistrata. No, this is not for us. So this is the page that is for us, students with the university qualification obtained outside Italy. Okay, so you have to produce your English or Italian language certificate. Whether your course is in English language, so you have to produce IELTS or TOEFL, or you have to produce it, or it is in Italian language, then you have to prove your Italian language proficiency. The country specific requirements related to your degree, okay, the degree is included, and then we have the sections specific country: Bangladesh, China, Colombia, Egypt, Ethiopia, Ghana, and India. If we click on India, then minimum is what is required. This is 80%. This is 80%. Last year this was very much high. This is now 70%. Last year this was 80%, I guess. Some of the students were shortlisted because of the percentage. So this year this is 70 out of 100. Then upload scanned copies of your original academic transcript or consolidated grade sheet, whatever you have, you can upload it. Okay, now next is no screenshots would be accepted, because many of the students, what they do, they just put a screenshot and it gets rejected on its own. What happened next is transcript must contain your grade average points, percentage or weighted score. Okay, so the next countries are Indonesia, Iran, Nigeria, Pakistan, Russia, Serbia. I'll put this link in the description box for you to find out whichever you country you belong to. And this was all about Politecnico Milano. Its process has been started, and if you want to apply, you can apply. You can apply from this page. This from here you have to register online and you have to fill in all the details. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to fill out the application form. Before you begin, you have to read all these things. Okay, these are the list of documents. You have to do a payment, and the last is the application fees has to be paid, and the application fees is this time a little high, that is 50 euros, and this is non-refundable as all the fees is. So this was all about the application process of Politecnico Milano, and in next video I'll be making videos on other colleges as well. If you want me to make a video specific to any college, then let me know in the comment section, and if you have any query, then drop down in the comment section or just DM me on Insta. Okay, and thank you, have a nice day, stay blessed. If you like, then please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.